Creative leaders see opportunity to solve problems and imagine a world that others don't. The top 52 creative leaders. Innovation, vision, progressiveness, originality, and resourcefulness are all characteristics of successful creative leaders. Creativity was ranked the most important leadership quality for success in business. This is why here at Skilltivity, we have compiled and curated the top 52 creative leaders today.
At number 40, we have an individual that a lot of you know through movies, comedy. He's just an entertainer that is at the top of his game right now, and that is Kevin Hart, coming in at number 40 on the top 52 creative leaders list, brought to you by Skilltivity.
I go so hard with the production and everything that goes into my shows. But when you start to look at these numbers, I say, you know what, people are coming out in high volume. It's my job to provide laughter at the highest level. So my production is the production of a rock and roll concert. That's where the term comedic rock star
You're putting
came
the
from.
money back into the shows, is what you're saying.
If I told you the money I spent the week on production, you would go, what?
Does size matter in terms of the left cheek or the right cheek?
Definitely, because you know, with a smaller behind, your movement is limited. So you know, it's definitely a song made for a bigger buttocks, not a smaller one, because there's no left cheek, right cheek. With a smaller butt, it's just cheek. It counts as one.
I didn't come here to disagree with you, but I have a smaller butt, and I think I do have a left cheek and a right cheek.
No, you don't. It's a fact that people with smaller butts don't even have a full butt crack. That's a fact. You can look it up. You can research it. It's a half a butt crack because they don't have enough buttocks to have a full butt crack.
I was young on my first marriage, Chelsea. I'm not ashamed to say it, guys. I got married at the age 22, okay? I was still all over the place. I didn't really understand the definition of marriage, so I wasn't ready for it, so I take responsibility. I can say I messed my first marriage up. I'm man enough to say that. And at the same time, that was when I was in the prime of my sexy. So don't blame me. Don't blame me. That's when I was figuring it out. But I will say that me and my ex-wife, you know, regardless of the problems that we went through, we're in an amazing place now where we're friends, we're great parents, we're co-parents, but we have a relationship. And now that I moved on and I met somebody else, you know, to make this step was a big step. So it took me some time. It took 7 years. And then I was like, you know what? She deserves it because I can't keep just letting this walk around free. That's not fair to her. Like, I gotta lock this up. I'm talking about my body. That's what I'm talking about.
And Kevin Hart's on this list for allowing us to laugh at his pain. As a comic, that's really a big asset you have, is taking that personal life and allowing it to shine on your work. And those creative leaders that are really fearless are ones that could use that to their advantage. Some people can let it maybe bring them down and bring them back, but I tell you what, he's one that has allowed that to let his art flourish on the screen, off the screen, and let us in to be in on the joke. Thank you for watching Skilltivity's Top 52 Creative Leaders. And as you follow our curated list, I provided a resource for you, and it's to help you develop your own creative leadership skills. It's called The Ultimate Guide to Creative Leadership Success, and you can get it for free by clicking on the link below in the description of this video. Also, please subscribe to Skilltivity. We got videos coming, and you want to make sure to follow us as we keep going on this journey. Hit the bell to get notifications of new videos that come. Just know that Skilltivity, we're here to help you move forward in advancing your creative skills. We're always aiming for that. So from me to you, from Carrington to you, see you soon.